Profit Report. Hello everyone, welcome to Captain BI. Today we will share with you how to use the Profit Report tool to get your real profits. Of course, in order to know your profit, it is necessary for you to connect to your Amazon account. Okay, let's start. Profit and Loss Report. Firstly, you can click the Profit Report, Profit and Loss Report to get an exact profit and loss report from multiple marketplaces. If you sell in multiple Amazon marketplaces, you can check the profit and loss report on each account. Of course, it can allow you to customize the date range. There are predefined date periods for you to choose with one click. Once you choose the account and date, you can simply find out your total income and expenses, and you can see the proportion of income and costs from the chart. If you want to view the details of each income and expense, you can hide the chart and check the form. There are different statistical dimensions for you to check the details of the profit and loss report. View detailed profit and loss data by day, by week, by month, by quarter, by half a year, and by year. You can click the plus icon in each line item to view the detailed information under it, and you can find out the grand profit for each period at the bottom, and also subtotal for each line item at the right side. Click Report List button. You can generate the profit and loss report from multiple marketplaces. Then click Generate Profit Report button, and then customize the date range and accounts to generate the report. It will take a little time to generate the report. Once the report is generated successfully, you can click the icon to check the details. Considering that your account may come from different marketplaces, here you can select the display currency. Monthly Profit Report. Monthly reports are generated regularly every month. It provides you with a monthly profit for all stores and products. If you have multiple accounts, it supports you to view the monthly profit report of all your accounts. It is easy for you to find all data as it is displayed by account and product. You can view different data in different dimensions by simply clicking the tab. If you check the data by account, a summary of the relevant data of the store will be displayed at the top of the page, and the specific store fee details will be displayed in the account list section. Also, you can click on the top left of the list to select the currency. In the same way, you can check the monthly profit report for each product. Overall income and expenses are displayed clearly. And you can customize the metrics of the product-related fees to know the profitability of each product. If there are too many products on the list, you can filter the product to locate the specific product you want to view. ASIN Fees. The data of ASIN fees are based on the Amazon payment and the cost you set in Captain BI. It helps you to break down each cost metric, allowing you to see which area is disproportionately eating into your profit margins, enabling you to make critical decisions immediately. Maybe you will find a lot of the same things in the ASIN fee as the ASIN monthly profit report. So let me introduce something different. Firstly, you can choose the account you want to check. However, here you cannot integrate the data of all your Amazon accounts. Secondly, here you can customize the date range at your will. Once you choose the account and date range, you can see the ASIN fees overview, all sales and expenditure data at a glance. Then, you can choose all the products in the seller account to display by parent ASIN, child ASIN, or SKU. And you can also analyze a specific product by searching it. You can view the data by product or by time. If you want to view data by time, you can change the period by day, by week, by month, by quarter, by half a year, and by year. Payout. Data of payout comes from the payment bill, which is consistent with the Amazon data, but the transaction time may be several hours later than the Amazon Seller Central, usually within a day. You don't need to go to Amazon to switch accounts back and forth. Here you can view the transfer data of all your accounts. You can choose one account. Also, you can choose all accounts. You can customize the data range by settled time and by transfer time. Once you customize the account and the date range, the total settled, transfer failed, and outstanding balance will display clearly. In the payout list, you can check all details of each transaction. In addition, it allows you to locate specific transactions through the filters. Profit setting. Profit setting allows you to customize your own costs so that you can get a more accurate profit. There are two types of fees you can set yourself. Firstly, choose an account to filter the rules. Then, let's set the operating expense. Click the Import Cost button. You can upload your cost by file. Also, you can click the Add Operating Expenses button to add a specific expense rule by customize it. For example, let's select this account, fill in some description, then select the type of shipping. Here I set the amount as $50 and the expense will start on January 10, 2020 and happen every month. Once you add the expense rule, it will display in the following rule list. The expense will generate automatically by the rule you set. You can find each generated expense at the Additional Cost menu. Next, click Cost and Profit Setting. Here you can customize mode of the cost of goods for the profit calculation when refunds happen. Additional Cost. Here are the detailed costs generated automatically by the rules you set at the expense setting. You can choose the account and customize the date to check the additional cost. Of course, you have the ability to filter according to your needs. That's all for the Profit Report tool. Thank you.